Hey guys, it's Robbie here. This is FrekiFitWolf, and it is day 12 of FrekiFitVember. And man, my windows are foggy. All right, good morning, everybody. Sorry I do have the defrost on, so hopefully it's not too loud for y'all. But it is like 34 degrees outside, so everything's fogged up. Yeah, so it is Thursday. The week is almost over. It is Friday Eve, all that fun stuff. First of all, comment down below or in my Facebook group, let me know what activity you're doing for FrekiFitVember. Yesterday, you know that I did yoga, and I'm definitely feeling that in my abs today. And I did, after work, do some walking in place for like 10 minutes. I was a little bit tired, so I admit I literally walked. I know I had said that I wanted to kind of jog a little bit, but that did not happen. I just walked. But I walked, I moved. That's all that's important. That's all my goal is for FrekiFitVember, is to get moving some. Today, I'm on my way to work right now, and I plan on doing something a little bit more high tempo for a workout. So whether that be Planet Fitness or another one on YouTube, there's a bunch of other options. I'm not exactly sure, but I want something that I'm moving faster. I want to get my heart rate up a lot higher. I want to get my breathing deeper, or faster, or whatever you call it. I want to feel that type of burn rather than just the muscle burn that I've been getting from yoga and other stuff like that. So that's the goal. I will see exactly which one I do, and maybe I'll record a little bit more before posting this, or maybe I'll talk about it tomorrow. I don't know. I don't have a set plan for my life in general. Yeah. But I am going to be sticking to my food. And also, it's been a while since I've said it, but I've lost count of days, but I have not had any soda since that first day that I announced it. I think it was close to the first of this month. No, it was before that. So I think it's been like 3 weeks or so. I don't know. I lost track of time. But either way, I am very happy and proud of myself for not having any soda, coming from somebody that used to drink it like it was water and not hardly drink any water. And it's definitely been a process, because I mean, you guys know I went from that to having, some soda and water, and now I only have water. Granted, I have water, and I have water with Mio flavor drops. That's the next goal, is to try to cut down on how many of flavored water I drink. But I still think that counts as water, because it's just, a little squirt from the little bottle, and it's getting me some caffeine. But like pure water with nothing attached to it would probably be really good for my system as well. Especially, I do feel like I've slacked off on my my water intake. Like, I've been having it, and only that, but I feel like not as much, because I am kind of achy in like my joints. So like, I'm just trying to think, maybe it's not enough water. I have been drinking a lot of it, but I haven't really been tracking it as much lately. So I don't know exactly how much I've had. But I mean, seriously, like my joints, like carpal tunnel, it's gonna happen with a hairstylist, but it's really, really acting up right through here. I can feel it whenever I try to do anything with my hand, which is annoying, because it used to always be my left hand. This hand seems okay. It's like tight up in my finger joints up here, but this down here doesn't hurt. This right through here hurts. Last night I got woken up in the middle of the night because my knees were hurting, my calves were hurting, my elbow joint was hurt, like all my joints. Like, what the heck? It was so frustrating, because one, I stayed up too late playing that stupid video game. It's not stupid, it's really good and I love it. But I stayed up too late. So I went to bed at like midnight. Then woke up at 2:30. Just in pain. Like, the pain was so bad that I couldn't get back to sleep, which is annoying. And so, like, after like an hour or two, I was able to go back to sleep. But unfortunately, I did have some nuts and some dried cherries, and I haven't tracked that yet. I haven't had time. And with the nutstop.com foods, I love them, but there's not a barcode scanner, so each time I add it, I've got to create it, and I haven't created that for the raisins or the things. But looking at the calories, I stayed within my calorie goal, because yesterday I ended with only like 2,000 or 2,100 calories. So I know that little, because it was like a little handful combined. So like half a handful of the mixed nuts, half a handful of the dried cherries. Glancing at that this morning, I know I did not go over my calories with that. Don't know about points, because I know those cherries definitely had a lot of sugar in it, so that means they have higher points, or bites, since I'm doing I track bites. So that's frustrating that happened. So I put all of them in the freezer. I don't want this midnight snack thing to happen, and it's happened a few times lately, and it's been frustrating for that to happen. I know last week it happened several times. So like I said, this morning I woke up and put them in the freezer. The one bag was almost empty, so I went ahead and just trashed it. But the other stuff that I could easily be like half asleep grabbing and shoving in my mouth, it's in the freezer. Good luck, Sleepy Robert, chewing on some frozen strawberries or frozen cherries. It's not going to happen. It's going to break some teeth. So that'll help with that. And I need to I'm going to the grocery store today after work, because I need to get some vegetables and fruit, especially the fruit and vegetables that I can just grab and go with, rather than just like frozen ones that I cook with a lot. I need to get like apples and oranges and bananas and celery and carrots, all that type of stuff that I can very easily just grab and eat that if I'm going to grab something. Especially the vegetables. I feel like the vegetables, because they're less calories and definitely less sugar than most fruits. Because like bananas are higher in calories, but they are low in like everything else, sugar and carbs and all that jazz. But then you look at an apple, it is less calories than a banana, but way more sugar. So that's not necessarily a wonderful option to overindulge on either. Obviously, I don't think I'm going to, get fat from eating too many of those, but still, it's a factor. Versus when you look at like celery or carrots and like, the 25 calories or whatever from that, it's definitely a better option. So either way, that's my goal today. After work, go to the grocery store, get some fruits and vegetables, and whatever else I need. And also go home and do a cardio or high intensity workout. Not sure which one it is. So that's my plan. Let me know what your plan is. I'm going to end this here. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you tomorrow.